What? Hey, I'm gonna be nigga to some mackin on this bitch, cuz. I'm smoking on that kush, and you know it's that bubble though. I don't give a fuck, cause we're smoking on that fire though. OG kush straight up on that west coast. We don't give a fuck, cause you know we be blown though. On that shit, we don't really give a fuck, cause I'm about to fucking hit it, and I'm not gonna pass it though. It's a magnet to my motherfucking stress, cause that shit lets it go. And you know I'm from the west though. Southeast San Diego, where I posted. I don't give a fuck, you already know that I'm always blown to the dome. It's the same, fuck the whole team, fuck the judge and the motherfucking police. Cause I'ma smoke all day till I hit the top. I don't give a fuck, cause I'm never going low though. Where my niggas at, yep, where you at though? You already know that we stay with that fire though. MOB, nigga, you already know we keep it to the foolish. Fuck the haters, we don't give a fuck. We already know that we got the Glock by the pop coming insane, and we hella fuck the cop. Yep, cause you know you wanna hate, but you know you really don't, cause you know we gonna go harder than before, nigga, fuck the rest, though, you already know, cause it's money over bitches, though, you already know we coming to the top, and you know we're about to go, so blown, all the way on top, never about to hit the flow, cause we about to hang on the motherfucking ceiling, though, yep, and I'm talking about you, you better not hate, cause I'm about to come after you, all you niggas out there tryna hate, but you know you niggas need to really appreciate. Cause we got the fucking money, we got the fucking liquor, we got the fucking bitches, and you know we got the dough. We're staying so loud, it's so crazy that all you niggas hate, but you really don't want to. Hey girl, and you know we want you too. You already know, cause I'm coming after you though. But you already know that I really love you. Where my baby girl Gigi at? Where you at though? She been macking on my nigga too short, cause you already know, cause he wants it to you, though. You want to, baby girl, you the best, and you better not hate, cause you coming from the west, though. Money over bitches, that's all I gotta say. And you already know, niggas, please don't hate. We're gonna hit it so hard, gotta hit the shit. And I don't give a fuck, I'ma let you go. Cause it's do some hackings on this bitch, though. And I don't give a fuck, cause you know it's MOB, though.